Love nature? These 5 breathtaking places worldwide are a must-see for every adventurer. First up, Torres del Paine National Park in Chile. Imagine dramatic mountain peaks, turquoise lakes and glaciers, perfect for hiking trails like the W-Trek and the O-Circuit. Next, Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. Think cascading lakes and waterfalls with wooden walkways winding through lush forests. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. Then Yosemite National Park in the USA, known for its granite cliffs like El Capitan, giant sequoia trees and stunning waterfalls. It's an outdoor enthusiast paradise. Fourth, the Amazon rainforest spanning South America. The world's largest tropical rainforest teeming with biodiversity and indigenous cultures. An unforgettable exploration awaits. Lastly, Fiordland National Park in New Zealand. Picture dramatic fjords, rugged mountains and pristine wilderness. A remote haven for nature lovers. Which one's your next adventure? Comment below!